The cold press chocolate bomb molding line allows the use of a wide variety of fillings, such as cocoa powder, marshmallows, small toys, as well as liquid syrup with precise volume. After depositing, the molds will move to vibrator to vibrate off the air bubbles. Then molds will be carried to cold press machine to form the specific shapes with super low temperature condition. With the help of vacuum sucker, marshmallows will be added into the chocolate shells with accurate quantities. Then, cocoa powder will be followed. The next step is mold closing. Then molds will be delivered to the cooling tunnel, where the chocolate will be solidinated and firmly molded. After cooling, chocolates will be collected by a vacuum sucker and transferred to a conveyor for the next packing machines. At the same time, molds are returned from the bottom of the line and the whole process will be repeated.